How to fix Pinterest app not working on Android and iPhone. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Pinterest app not working on your phone, either it's Android or iPhone. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to close the Pinterest application completely from your device and restart your device, as a quick restart can often solve many problems, including bugs and glitches. Then after, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection, and then try updating the Pinterest application. For that, open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using iPhone. Now go to the search bar and search for Pinterest application. And if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, tap on it to update it to its latest version. Now come back. Tap and hold on to this application if you're using Android. Tap on the eye icon in the top. Then go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Come back. Try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And on iPhone, you need to offload the app. So go to Settings and then go to General. Then go to iPhone Storage. Tap on Pinterest and upload the app. And after uploading, you can reinstall the application using the App Store. Also, make sure that you have given all the permissions to this application and try reinstalling the Pinterest. Simply delete it or uninstall it from your device to get rid of damaged data or errors. And disable VPN or a battery saver, as this might interfere with Pinterest. And if you're still having trouble, you can get in touch with Pinterest Help Center at help.pinterest.com. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.